Hey everyone, it's me, Qualcomm. I'm a lazy bastard. I know I've got things going on, but I could have at least made some videos. Here's Frostrain 2, the demo, where I tried a combination, a fusion with train power, and then eventually got a nice fusion with Fuel Hammer Brotherhood. Will it be enough to beat the game? Enjoy! Alright, basic stuff here. We want to get 2 carriage drones and continue with that. Right here, I want to accumulate speed first. So let's see what we have here. Let's build towards Fuel on Hammer Brotherhood, I guess. Take this first. Nice, okay. We've got 2 different train carriages here. Now fast forward a little bit. Oh, I mean, that's great. I want to drive here. Continue. Fast forwarding, and every time we hit a station we get a carriage drone. Let's continue with this. And we have a blessing here, kind of. We get an extra item from the purple stations. Man, that's good. But let's get this first. Oh, nice. More Fuel and Hammer Brotherhood. Okay. We've got 2 golds here. And another one. Damn. Okay, I guess, wait, how many? I could add another one. Let's maybe... yeah, okay. Let's get job school again. So...
A quick overview of the game. So in the top you can see the happiness. I need to keep it up, otherwise I will lose. Every time I visit a station I'll get a drone, which gives me a train carriage. I want to make good combinations, good fusions between different traits, so that I can generate more happiness. And sometimes you can see bigger points which will give me either more train carriages or even an artifact. Artifacts are very powerful in this game, and yeah, that's about it.
Happiness. Hit the station, alright. Oh, cats gained. Nice. This early on, it's quite good. Now we accumulated another point of skill, and I don't need sight. I'll get 3 experiences, nice. Yeah, it really looks like I'm building a Fuel and Hammer Brotherhood combination, and we produce happiness 2 additional times, which is quite strong, I believe. Don't need anything here, but I'll get a wheelhouse just in case if I want to get a combination going on. Gambling house, nice. We're really collecting all those. Tavern for 66, yes, I can buy that. Continue here. So I think it's time for going for the experience, or... Now let's get this. It's all bronze here, so let's sell 1 and... Oh! Manpower generator, yes. So 2 of them will not be enough because I need 3 trains for train power. I'll get... Oh wait, it's an upgrade. Tavern, gambling house. Let's put it in a gambling house here. We probably are on a good direction with all the Fuel and Hammer Brotherhood combinations. Another oh, I could speed up my train, overloading it. But do I need it right now? Let's see. Taking it just in case. Pretty empty here, so we'll go straight through the gases. Get 1 experience point. Well, I guess. Speed it up. Oh, a gold one. I'll sell that. So, what do I want to do here? Go up for 2 carriage drone supplies, potentially. Gambling house? Yes. And I don't know what next. All bronze. I'll sell it anyway. Don't need it this run. Get experience. A letter. How lovely. I could buy it for an extra 19 happiness. Wow. So what do I do next? We are still pretty far from the blizzard. I don't know how fast it is right now. But I think I can go around here and probably... Oh wait, this looks pretty good here. I would like another artifact, so we'll continue forward. This is simply 1 experience point for me. Control room, well, I guess. If I really need that speed... Okay, hang on. Before we continue, we don't need to go down there. What I could do is... I mean, it's 4 stations plus this one. It's 3 plus this one and continue here. I don't know what's there. What's better? I don't know if there's a connection. I don't want to risk it, so let's go up. Sell the gold. Okay. More experience. Get the drone. All silvers. Sell that, sell this. So we have 6 in Fuel and Hammer Brotherhood, which we don't need. What we could do now is add this and exchange one of those with a control room or the wheelhouse. So it does... Well, the sheriff's office only gives 3 happiness, which is pretty low, so if I get this... Happiness plus 5 plus 4. Yes. Like this. Now I have train power. And we can speed up a little bit. Overclock it, so to say. So my route will definitely be go up here, go around, go down here, back here. Let's hope I have enough time. More speed, yes. We need to speed up in this part. If it will be looking pretty bad, I don't go down there. I'll skip that artifact. So how fast is the blizzard actually? I could reduce backlash. Do I have backlash? I don't remember. No, I don't. Which means I'll get 2 experience here. Train's about to arrive. Yes, I see that. Don't need anything here. Okay, the blizzard is moving up pretty quickly. Shop school. Oh, inventory full. Okay. Where are the combinations? Ah. Orphanage. I don't have an orphanage yet. Now I've got one. Don't need anything here. More speed, yes please. Maybe I can actually take the route downstairs. It looks pretty dangerous. But I need to make a decision now. 130 seconds. How fast is the blizzard? I don't know, actually. The blizzard is already here. And I'm backtracking too much. Yes, I'm going to the front. Lose a little bit of happiness here. We have cats, nice. That was a very good combination of events. Getting cats first and then dealing with the rats. Hang on. That's brown, that's purple, red. Let's get a wheelhouse. More speed. Ooh, even more speed. I could totally go for that. If I place it somewhere like this, nice. We have max train power, which gives us plenty of time. Get the manpower generator. I will keep the browns for this run. I have so many browns. Training school, go away. Nice. I will sell this. So what is good? More speed. Let's go for even more speed. As if that is not enough. Manpower. Yeah, I guess. If I could bring it to level 4. Yes. Orphanage. I'll take it. Another experience here. That's good. Control room. Even though I don't really need it in the long term. Yes, orphanage. Food line. So if I continue here, oh, nice. Another artifact. Let's visit that. I'm so fast that my drones are coming in pretty quickly. Fuel operator. No. Another backlash lost. Yes, I still have one. Get experience. So this is cut off pretty much. I guess I'll go forward here. Overcrowding, which makes my train a little bit slower. Blank check. Counting is having one additional shadow traces. Culture or train power. What if I get train power? I do have 6 now. Which is nice. And my total speed, I'm almost twice as fast. Oh, this is cut off completely. I see. Yeah, I'll think about it. Right here, so... This looks fun. Nope. Bill of Rights. Yes. Better control room, more happiness. Get the orphanage. I have a very planned ahead route here. Food poisoning is pretty bad. Do I need the experience? I do need the experience. I don't get it anyway, so better not. But the odds are good. Let's take it. Nice. Sell the gold. Sheriff's office. Okay, we have another spot here. I have very good train power and I only have this very weak wheelhouse. So Fuel and Hammer Brotherhood on the go. And I guess the orphanage. I am very fast. Yes, I can take this and even continue the route like this. Get more passengers. I realize I could have gone here, but that's okay. Don't need it. I will sell this. Warehouse upgrades coming soon. Okay, that's good. At least something. Get 2 random gifts. Yeah, okay. Nice. At least something. So if I get here... Let's hope for the artifact. I really hope I'll get it. Need to make some room first. And... well, I didn't really get it. But collector is nice. It's much better than Rose at this point, because I've got many items here. And this will equal 15, which is more than 9. Broken engine is bad. There's a chance that I'll get an experience point, please. It's engine failure. Never had anything else. And our happiness is looking very bad, so we need to change plans now. Lose the train power. Get our Fuel and Hammer Brotherhood combination going. Happiness 11, happiness... Now it's 7. I do have a gambling house, but I don't have anything else yet. But the gambling house still will be better than having this, I think. It's a plus 14 gambling house, a 3 to 10, but if I have passengers there, it will be times 5, so it's at least 15 to 50. But I'll lose some speed, which I think is okay. I simply need to survive. Hang on, what's that? It's only a +8. I can sell it for good value. So let's hope that wins. Very close. It's too close for my liking. Please, I need that. Not really what I need. Altering. Yes, yes. This happiness balloon is actually very good because ×5, I get a good bonus. Drop score or warehouse? It's a level 3. Warehouse is the level 2. Need to exit the storm as quick as possible, so we'll go down here. 1 experience point. No, I can't buy anything right now. It will be too risky. Surviving that, that's good. That's very, very good. Now I wonder where the storm will lead me. I'm very far away from the storm, so if I could... everything is stinky now. Don't need any of those. Otherwise they will be highlighted. And I really don't need anything else here. I'm not far away from another experience point, so if I could simply survive that. Rising temperature, we are close. This is good. This is not that great, but if I get flatulent one, I won't lose speed. But I guess I'm fine. Hasty conclusion is only for 55 seconds. Warehouse? Didn't I max warehouse yet? I thought I did. I will not need it anymore, actually. Oh, damn. But we are close. Go here. Upgrade tavern. Level 4. Great. Great stuff. And it's still not enough. Giving alms is not possible right now. I need the happiness. I actually need the happiness. Or else I won't survive. I would almost pick this one now. Can I place another train carriage here? Don't have any. So, media. Do I need media? I have 1 point in media. I could also get the mask or gambling. No, for gambling I don't have enough, so let's get propaganda station at least. Go here. I don't know if anything of this is important anymore. Rebellion is not that good. And I'm getting a lot of backlash. Department of Press. If I lose train power, I lose 20% of my speed. If I get media would be nice. But this is only +6, this is +15, and gives me speed. This is +10. Wait, this is +10 and I didn't hit the artifact yet, so I could get this. Losing the train power right now. I don't have gambling. Culture is not good. Culture is actually very bad if I don't have the coordination. +6 for security. This is the same, but I'll get at least a media upgrade. Very, very close. It's getting too risky. Propaganda station. Nice. Educational. Yes! I've hit it! Nice! Nice! So let's get back our... What did we lose? What? Gambling. No. Gambling is still there. Sheriff's office. Get back our sheriff's office and produce 10 times more happiness. We have hit it. In the very last second. Will it be enough? There's our destination. Will it be enough? That's rough. That's very, very rough. Damn. But that's the game. Yeah. It's a demo. Nice game. You should check it out. Frostrain 2 on Steam. See you next time.